Hi, welcome to the ConvertBox. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a split test for your converter box. So, essentially what we are going to be doing is creating two different variations of the same ConvertBox and split testing them against each other to see which one converts best. What we get here is a ConvertBox that's already been created, and we are going to create a different variation for this ConvertBox. So what we are going to do is click on Edit. Then on the top right here, click on the Create a /B test button. We already got variation A because this is the ConvertBox that's been initially created, and we can create a new variation by selecting this button just below. Now, you can select between these two variations from this drop-down menu. I am going to select variation B and make some small adjustments that we want to split test, so you can make as many changes as you want to your ConvertBox variation. Now, if we go back to the split test menu, you can see that we got variation A, which is the original one, which has the larger text and the blue smaller button, and then our new variation that we are just created, variation B, which has the orange button and the smaller text. You will also see two additional options in the split test modal, one for notes and one for setting. So, if we go ahead and select notes, this is going to open an additional field where you can add notes about your split test. And then, if we go back and we click on Settings, this is going to allow you to select the type of split test that you want to run. So by default, a crooked split test is selected. This type of split test means that each visitor will always see the same variation when they return to your site. You can also run a regular split test, and this type of split test will randomly show each variation of your ConvertBox to the visitor. Once you are finished creating your different variations for the split test, simply select Save in the editor. And then on the dashboard, you will see an icon on your converter box for a /B. This indicates that there's a split test running on the ConvertBox. If you want to use the ConvertBox, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.